Exactly. Get off my dick, bitch.
Listen.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Listen. Check. I got the 9 in my hand, man.
Who's next?
Well, I'm looking at this bitch, so I'm plotting out my ex. Now see, listen. She a stupid, dumb, grimy bitch. All she ever worried about was getting paid quick. Now, I got the laser pointed at this bitch. Haha. Yo, my man, you see this scary bitch? But nah, I ain't even gonna kill her. I'ma call myself her doctor in this motherfucking villa. Cause I injected her with shit she can't forget. Like how to be a real bitch and just how to be legit. Yeah, I know. That was kinda fucked up, but like Lil Wayne, I could get too buff. Cause she done fucked up, I sucked up and fucked up again. Many stupid young girls, yo, they can't be your friends. But see, listen, now she done showed me what it really was. Never trust a bitch, she'll only show you groupie love. Listen, it'll never be the same. You were just another lame, had me caught up in the game, yeah. Listen, I never knew your name, fucked up, but it's cool. Wish I never knew your name, no.
This shit is fucking crazy. This bitch is trying to play me, acting like my lady, but she was fucking shady. Yeah, so don't say my name, so don't say my name. This shit is real, it ain't no game. So hop off my phone, my heart ain't your home. Cause shit is fucking changed now. Cause shit is fucking changed now. Cause shit is fucking changed now.
But it's cool, cause now a nigga happy cause I got a new girl who's classy, not savvy, man. Listen, I'm happy where I'm at. When these hoes call my phone, definitely she handle that. So it's cool, baby girl, do you? Cause I got a girl I love and I'm glad she not you. Listen, I said, I'm glad she not you. So I gotta go, baby girl, do you?
Yo, these bitches hopping on a nigga's dick, trying to get that paper quick, but that shit ain't really legit. I'm getting hell out here, you getting hell out here. I might have my girl dash you, that's hell for you. Hella dudes, see all them hella dudes you fucking with. I need a fucking doctor, cause you need a fucking doctor. Cause these bitches fucking nasty, yeah, these bitches fucking trashy. They fucking grimy, fuck that bitch, I'm gonna fucking marry. Cause I'm gonna get that Uzi and spray you like a newbie. And motherfucking truthfully, I'm gonna get that truthfully. You gonna get that truthfully. You gon' be missing all your foes. And motherfucking when I'm coming through, I'm at your door. So best believe, I ain't gon' say please. I'm just coming through with them Uzi. Say please, get on your knees. Listen, and I ain't fucking doing this. Got a girl that love me, so why am I doing this? And I should come after you and kill your fam too. And I'ma do this shit and kill your fucking dude. He called my phone while I was locked down and you came home and tried to get your clothes with that nigga at your side. Damn, that's your man, damn. Why you tried to play me? Damn, bitch, you fucking crazy and you ain't my fucking lady. But I'ma see you on the streets soon. So watch yourself. Motherfucker, that ain't good for your fucking health. This bitch is fucking crazy. Tried to fucking play me, acting like my lady, but you was fucking shady, fucking with them niggas, and now I gotta pull out all my lines and the triggers.
Listen, it'll never be the same. You were just another lame, had me caught up in the game, yeah. I wish I never knew your name, stupid bitch. I wish I never knew your name, no.
This shit is fucking crazy. This bitch is trying to play me, acting like my lady, but she was fucking shady. So don't say my name, don't say my name at all. Don't say my name at all. Forget my number and forget the ever that you called. Lose my number, lose that fucking digit, bitch. If you had the last one, you better lose that shit quick, damn. I'ma see your mans at the motherfucking sideline when he's fucking chillin' that he fucking bye-bye. Nigga, bye-bye, see you fucking later. Matter of fact, I see you at the Hell Gates later.
It'll never be the same, you were just another lame. Had me got up in the game, yeah. Wish I never knew your name, wish I never knew your name, stupid bitch, yeah. You just another lame.
Just another fucking lame, This to all them fucking exes trying to play a nigga, get on it.
Yeah, get on this shit. Y'all already know what this is about. Crossing lines. We crossing lines all the way, bitch. You know who we talking about. No playing, no games. Feels me? We out.